Okay, wait, this is seriously so cute. So I have here the Beauty Creations all-in-one lip treatment. Basically, this is supposed to be a lip treatment and tint. This is the tube for it. I have this in So Vanilla, but this comes in a bunch of different shades. I love vanilla, so I'm really excited to try this today. So I guess we just squeeze the little tube here, and then, oh my gosh, okay. So I'm loving this scent, this vanilla scent. Smells amazing. And oh my gosh, you guys, so putting it on, it feels so smooth and hydrating on your lips. This is their lip treatment and tint. It's really cool because it's actually supposed to be kind of like a hybrid between skincare and also a really cute like lip color. So it's basically like skincare and makeup at the same time. And this also has raspberry seed and collagen boosting peptides. So it is really good for your lips, which is awesome, and definitely feels really, really nice on, and the shine is super pretty. It also says on the packaging here that you can apply and build in swipes to get desired color intensity, shine, and hydration, suitable for all-day use. So I guess if you want to get like more color, more shine, anything, then you can see you just kind of squirt it here. Ooh, yeah. And I'm really liking this color. Built up too. I think this looks really, really cute. I also feel like if you wanted to put another color like underneath or something and then kind of like layer with this, then I think that that could look really cute too. And you get like a really nice shine, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm obsessed. I paired it today with this kind of like glowy pink makeup look, and I think that this is really pretty. I feel like it's very like soft, but you get kind of just enough color and feels so nice and hydrating on your lip. And today I feel like this kind of gave like just enough like softness to kind of balance the kind of more like goth like Jack kind of look today. So I am obsessed. I'm loving it. Like that shine with this look, you guys, I feel like that is so pretty and it feels great on my lips too. And if you want to try this or any of the other flavors that they have for this, I'll put a little cart there, guys, that you can tap there and you can get this in the TikTok shop. And I think today with this look, this is so cute. Let me know what you guys think and if you are going to try one.